Hello there, Stevos. Welcome along to this brand new YouTube video. In this video, here on SteveOfficial, I am going to be showing you something brand new that you can do on your iPhone or iOS device, or even on a Windows 10 PC device as well. And that is that you are now able to play Xbox Game Pass games through the cloud on your iOS device or Windows 10 PC. You can already do this on Android. So obviously you've been able to do cloud gaming on Android devices for quite some time now, for a good part of a year or maybe a year and a half, I would say. So obviously that's been in place, and more recently now Xbox have brought the cloud gaming streaming thing now to Safari on iPad and iPhone devices, and also on Windows 10 PC as well. So I'm going to show you how to set it all up. So first of all, you need to go to the website on Safari on iOS devices. You need to go on the website xbox.com/play. You then need to scroll down. It will ask you to sign in. You sign in with your Xbox gamer tag. So that's your Microsoft email and your password to that Microsoft email as well. So obviously I've already done that. I've all signed in. Then it says here, it gives you a little pop-up message saying, get the most out of Xbox Cloud Gaming. For an optimized experience, add Xbox Cloud Gaming to your home screen. So there we go. So you can do that. Xbox wireless controller is now switched on. We now go onto here, and basically we now have tons and tons of games that we can play. Wreckfest, Forza Motorsport 7, Halo, Gears 5, MotoGP 20, City Skyline, Grand Theft Auto 5, Assetto Corsa, Destiny 2, Days, Forza Horizon 4. It's all here. And obviously there are games that you can play with touch as well. You got some of the recently added stuff on here as well. Grand Theft Auto 5 being one of them, Outriders, Zombie Army, Dead War 4, and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is let's give Forza Motorsport 7 a try. We're going to play Get Ready to Play. Okay, so basically what I've just done is I added the Xbox Cloud Gaming home screen to the home screen on my iPad. So if you do that, then what you then have to do is then you have to go back into it, but because it will basically come up as an app. It will come up as an app, and then all you then do is then you pretty much I mean, this is pretty awesome, actually. So you add it to your home screen on your iOS device, whatever it is, iPhone, iPad, whatever. And then after that, you then sign back into your Xbox accounts through your Microsoft account, of course. And then after that, you can choose what game to play, and then it will set it up, basically. So yeah, you do have to add it to your home screen if you do want to play on your... if you do want to play on the cloud, okay? So just thought I'd let you know. So, of course, here I am. I've got my controller. It's all set up. I've now got the game that I want to play. That's all set up as well. And this is Forza Motorsport 7. This is running on my iOS device, which is my iPad. Really can't wait to see how this actually turns out. I've tried playing some Forza Motorsport 7 before on my Chromebook Duet device that I've got, which is what I normally use to like do Zoom calls, and obviously when I video call my friend Kieran on Skype as well, I use my Chromebook Duet. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this works. Now, I'm not going to lie, it is a little bit laggy in places, but I'm not going to say, I mean, at the end of the day, this is a beta test as well. Can I just add, it is a beta test, so obviously it's not all going to run smoothly. There is going to be some lags, some issues with the game. But I mean, to be honest, I'm steering my car pretty well, pretty decently. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. The sound on it is also a bit laggy as well, as you can see. I mean, you can just see the gameplay quality isn't the best. And also as well, I need to add this, it is also on the cloud as well, so I do wonder if maybe the cloud's server could be clogged with other players using the cloud on their iOS device. You know, you never know how many people could be playing Forza Motorsport 7 all at once. So there we go. So this is Forza Motorsport 7. What I might do actually is I might come out of this. You can quit the game, pretty easy. And you can obviously give it feedback. I'm going to give it a 2-star rating, submit. Just for now, and then you can always give them feedback. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Grand Theft Auto 5 and see what that is, see what that's like, and see. So obviously it comes up with this setting up stream, enjoy and please share your feedback as well. Again, like I say, beta test, it's not all going to be perfect. Here we go. It's also good as well because it's got the Xbox startup, hasn't it? The Xbox Series X startup on the cloud. So it hasn't got the Xbox One startup. So let's see what Grand Theft Auto 5 is going to be like. To me, again, this looks a bit laggy, but we'll only know when once it's loaded. Okay. Again, I'm gonna say this is all very laggy, isn't it? It is laggy in places. Yeah, this ain't great. I mean, at the end of the day, like I say, if it's laggy for you guys, if you decide to give this a go on an iOS device or even on a Windows 10 PC, for that matter, then feel free to give it a go, and of course let Microsoft know, because obviously if you're getting the same as me where it's going to be laggy feedback and stuff like that on the game, there's areas for improvement. Again, beta testing doesn't mean it's going to be absolutely perfect, it just means it's under a test at the moment. I would probably say that this is probably going to be running a lot smoother on Android devices at the moment, but obviously there is some areas that could be picked up for improvement. So yeah, definitely. I mean, at the end of the day, this is always a video that I can come back and do again in maybe a couple of months' time or something like that, here on SteveOfficial, just so that you guys are aware of how much the beta testing has improved. I mean, this is actually a recent thing. It's only recently come to iOS and Windows 10 devices. So, obviously, if it is going to be laggy for you guys, do report it. Give them some feedback and let them know what troubles you're having. Maybe it could be the sound that could be lagging, maybe it could be the picture, the gameplay that could be lagging as well. Just let Microsoft know, and of course they will, as always, give the improvements a go and see if it works for you at some point. So there we go. So also as well, you can press the Xbox home button and you can press quit game, and then yeah, you can literally quit the game. And what you can do again, oh maybe I pressed never mind, or did I quit the game? How's your experience playing? I'm gonna say bad. What spoiled it? I'm gonna say please select all that's applied. I'm just gonna say issues with the game. Device maybe. Choppy audio. I'm gonna also. Can you select more than one? Yeah, we'll say that as well. Submit. Done. There we go. So that is basically a little bit of Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta on an iPad device. And again, like I say, you can do this on an iPad, an iPhone, maybe an iPod Touch if you own an iPod Touch device, and you can also do this on a Windows 10 PC as well. I'm very, very surprised because given the fact that Microsoft is Xbox is Microsoft, and given the fact that Windows 10 is part of Microsoft, I'm surprised that Xbox Cloud Gaming didn't go to Microsoft Windows 10 devices first before rolling out to Android and iOS devices. So it's amazing that, you know, they kind of skipped that and did Android first before Windows 10 and iOS. Also as well, I must add that obviously I don't think there's going to be an Xbox Cloud Gaming app for the iOS devices due to like a disagreement between Microsoft and Apple. So I think if the cloud gaming thing is going to become an actual thing for Xbox Cloud Gaming on iOS devices, I think people are just going to be doing cloud gaming stuff through Safari rather than there being an actual app. I think it's got something to do with like a lawsuit or something like that between Apple and Microsoft, which means they can't bring the Xbox Cloud Gaming app to iOS devices, but hopefully in the future that will get resolved. So that is today's YouTube video. A massive thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment section in the comment section down below. Have you tried the brand new cloud gaming app on iOS, whether it's iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, or even on a Windows 10 device? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, SteveOfficial, then feel free to leave me a subscribe. Maybe you're new around here, so hit that subscribe button to become a Stevo today. That is all from me. My next YouTube video will be out this Friday, so please join me for that. But from me, it's goodbye. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.